Make it fast. Guys, how was your exam?
It was good, sir.
सही है.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. सबको good evening. सबको.
Sir, I couldn't attend my test, sir.
क्यों?
Sir, yesterday there was a function in my house, sir. That's why.
Who is that?
Sir, Ashish.
ये फंक्शन वगैरह क्या है भाई? You must attend the test.
Sir, पता है sir, लेकिन
If you know, then you should have attempted, right? You should have taken 1 hour of time. Should have attempted, right?
हाँ sir, ठीक है sir. हाँ sir.
You're saying हाँ but didn't attempt. Okay. Okay guys, let's get solved guys. So let me show. You're saying पता है मगर why didn't you do that then? Guys, how many of you have doubts here?
Sir, I have doubts in a few questions.
Yes.
Sir, can you reshare your screen? I can see it's only blank, sir. 1 minute.
Yes. First question. Any doubt? First question. Guys, any doubts in the
No,
first?
sir, no doubt.
Yes. So the value of cos 0, cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, cos 89, cos 90 is what?
0.
0. Why? Why? Because multiplication of all this. Look at this here. Multiplication. Here cos 90 is what? 0, no? Cos 90 is 0. 0 into all this. Anything is 0. So option C is correct. Koi doubt? Koi doubt?
No sir.
Very simple. Very simple. Right? So next, if x tan 45 into x, sin 30 is equal cos 30 into tan, the x value is what? देखो हम लोग इधर सॉल्व करेंगे तो x into tan 45 is how much? 1. Cos sin 30 is how much? 1/2. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3/2 into tan 30 how much? Tan 30 how much children? 1/√3.
1/√3.
तो देखो हम लोग इधर क्या करेंगे अभी? Look at this. This will get cancelled. So what is the answer now? Here 2 cancel. X is equal to what? 1.
1.
Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No
Very
doubt.
simple. If x
No,
and
sir.
y are complementary, then complementary angles, then क्या होता है? Complementary का मतलब sum of two angles is equal to, let us say x and y are two angles. Complementary angles का मतलब sum of these two angles supposed to be equal to 180 degrees. Clear? So 180 degrees हम दो एंगल को ऐड करेंगे तो 180 कब आएगा? If x and y are complementary, then sin x is equal to sin y.
No, sir, it can't be.
Tan x is equal to tan y.
No, it can't be the
No.
same function.
It can't be the. Now what?
Same trigonometry.
What is your answer is going to be now? Tell me.
Secant x equals to cosecant y.
Common sense तो D होगा बस. First three options are same. Tan x tan y, sin x sin y, and cos x cos y. कहाँ से होगा? Same function होगा तो not possible. So option D is correct. Clear? Yes or no? Why?
Yes, sir.
If I take x value, x का वैल्यू कितना ले सकते हैं हम लोग? Secant x वैल्यू कुछ भी ले लो. And cosec for two different trigonometric functions it's going to be possible. How did you solve this, guys? How did you analyze this? Tell me.
Sir, I took an example. For example, secant 45 equals cosecant 45. That's
Very good, very good.
so if I take secant 60, then it would be cosecant 30. So it would be complementary. 60 plus 30 is 90. That's it. Sir, is it supplementary or complementary?
Complementary. I'm talking about complementary. Complementary मतलब so complementary
90
मतलब 90 होना
degrees,
चाहिए.
sir.
Sorry,
90
complementary मतलब
degrees,
90 degrees. Supplementary means 90 degrees.
Yes.
180.
Supplementary means 180. So complementary means 90 only. सही है. So sum of two angles is complementary means guys 90. Supplementary means 180. Yes. So sum of two angles. देखो कहाँ से होता है ये देखो. 45 45 आ रहा है समझ?
Yes.
हाँ. And how many have you done this correctly?
Sir, I got it correct.
What about others? Boys, everyone should talk. Everyone should talk, please.
I didn't get correct in this.
You didn't get correct? भाई देखो साइन, देखो भाई साइन x एंड साइन y ले लीजिए. साइन 45 क्या होता है? 45 बट नाउ हियर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट x एंड y इज 45 डिग्रीज. x एंड y इज इक्वल 45 डिग्रीज. कहाँ इक्वल होगा?
Sir, if x and y are 45 degrees, then sin x will be sin x. Sin 45 is equal to sin 45.
What about that? What about that complementary? Complementary. He's talking about complementary. How can we go with this?
Sir, we can take sin 30, sin 60, then check.
Yes, sin 30 क्या होता है? 1/2 होता है. Alright. Sin
Yes.
60 क्या होता है? वो √3/2. हाँ, दोनों एंगल को ऐड करेंगे तो 90 है ना. हाँ, 60 30 पॉसिबल है. एंड tan 30 कितना होता है? 1/√3 होता है. √3 होता है, नहीं पॉसिबल. सो 1 √3/2 cos 30 √3/2 cos 60 1/2 नहीं पॉसिबल होता है. secant 30 कितना होता है? देखो secant 30 कितना होता है? secant 30 तो हो गया मुझे √3/2. एस आर नो? सॉरी 2/√3. एस आर नो? secant तो cos 30 कितना भाई? √3/2. सो 2/√3 ओनली नो. एस आर नो? cosec 60 कितना होता है?
Yes,
cosec
sir.
60.
2/√3.
भाई सही है, वेरी गुड. यस, 60 30 से पॉसिबल होगा. If x is equal to 30 degrees and y is equal to 60 degrees, then this option is going to correct. So none of these options are getting satisfied. आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है?
sir.
हाँ. Next one. Look at this. Next question. Sin 2b is equal to 2 sin b, which is when b is equal to sin 2b is equal to 2 sin b is true when b is equal to what?
0 degrees.
0 degrees. भाई देखो, हाँ देखो इधर मैंने बोल रहा हूँ आपको sin 2 times of 0 is equal to 2 times of sin 0. ये कब होगा? sin 0 is equal to sin 2 into sin 0 only. 0 is equal to 0. ये कब होगा? 0 डिग्रीज होता है, तभी 0 होगा. ठीक है. फोर्थ वन.
Sir,
यस.
for sin 2b, let's say b was something other than 0. How would you simplify it? Let's say it was 30 degrees.
So 2 sin 30 is equal to 2 sin 30 degrees. Then sin 30 कितना होता है? Sin 2 into 60 degrees, no? So 2 sin 1/2.
So you would multiply. Okay,
Yes,
I
multiply.
understand now.
Yes. I will multiply with that. So 2 times of 30 now. Clear?
Yes.
Or else you write 2 as it is and sin 30 1/2. That is also correct. Sin 60 I'm getting, so I'm multiplying with that. Clear? Next.
Okay.
If A, comma B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then cos B plus B. How many have to do this? How many have you done this?
I got this one.
How did you do that?
So first a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees. So then b plus c equals 180 minus a. Then b plus c by 2 equals 180 minus a by 2. add cos to both sides. Cos b plus c by 2 equals to cos 180 minus a. So cos b plus c by 2 equals cos 90 minus a by 2. So then cos b plus c by 2 equals sine a by 2.
Okay. See here. So here he is talking about interior angles. अरे यार waiting room कौन है waiting room में? ABC or interior angles triangle ABC. Guys, look at this. Everyone knows that sum of all angles in a triangle. अगर मैंने ट्राइंगल ले लिया कोई, सम ऑफ ये हो गया ये बी सी, सम ऑफ ऑल दिस एंगल्स इज गोइंग टू बी 180 डिग्रीज. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल 180 degrees. Alright, and now if I talk about angle B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. So if I look at this here, 180 minus A. If you apply something called like half, if you multiply both sides with half, what I'm going to get? Half times of B plus C is equal to 90 minus A. So again, half times of B plus C is equal to, you will be writing with the formula. You'll be writing with the formula, you will be getting 110% answer. Guys, you solve by this, you just multiply with half on both sides. So half times of B plus C is equal to, half means 90, 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Clear? So this is what I got. Yes or no? Now which we need what here? We need cos, right? Is as given. So apply cos on both sides, or taking cos on both sides. Taking cos on both sides. If you take cos on both sides, what would you get? If you take cos on both sides, guys, what would you get? What would you get?
Cos b plus c by
cos
2.
90 minus theta sin आ गया sin, तो sin होगा मेरा आंसर. आ रहा है समझ? Option A is correct, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No,
Correct.
देखो taking cos on both sides, so option A would be correct. Common sense. थोड़ा सा हम लोग लॉजिक अप्लाई करेंगे तो सही है, कोई ना. देखो गाइस, you just try to apply cos and solve further. You will get the answer. Solve this further. होमवर्क है आपके लिए. आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट चिल्ड्रन? कोई डाउट? Any doubts, ma? Girls? Hello?
No, sir, no doubt.
Next question. So which question you have next? Sixth one. I hope everyone might have done that. Here A and 2A minus 45 are acute angles such that sin A is equal to sin cos of 2A minus 45, then tan A is equal to what? Why is talking about acute angle? How many have you done this?
I got it, sir.
How did you do?
So if a and 2, so it says sine a equals to cos 2a minus 45, right? So if I need to make it equal, it should be 90 minus theta. So then I took a as 45 degrees, so 90 minus 45. So then tan 45 is 1, C1.
Yes. So A you took it as 45 degrees, isn't it? So 90
Yes.
degrees.
No, 2a is 90 degrees.
So A is equal to 45 degrees. If, and 2A is equal to be what? 90 degrees. Right now, when it's going to be satisfied, A is 45 degrees and 2A is going to be 90. So these both are acute angles now satisfying. Yes or no? Acute angles का मतलब क्या होता है? Less than 90 होता है और बराबर 90 के बराबर होता है. Sin ये होगा sin 45 1 by root 2 is equal to cos 2A. Cos 2A मतलब 90 minus 45. So cos 45.
Cos 40.
बराबर है, तो 45 डिग्री के बराबर होगा. तो आंसर कितना है इधर? tan A का मतलब क्या होता है? tan 45. So 1 होगा आंसर. tan 45 ना. tan A मतलब 1. Yes or no? tan A is 45. So I'm writing tan 45 as 1. Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
देखिए sin 45 into cos 45 is equal, हमारा वही फाइंड आउट करना है. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन. आई डोंट थिंक सो एनीवन हैज डाउट इन दिस. सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट सिंपलीफाई करो. बेसिक अलजेब्राइक कैलकुलेशन है. आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट चिल्ड्रन? एनी डाउट्स?
नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं वो. हाँ, here look at this here, guys. Sin theta plus, already we have solved this question. Guys. This question already has been solved. Homework. This question, same question we have solved. Same question. Look at this here. So here, can I write now sin square theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta? Yes or no? Sin square theta can be written as what? 1 minus cos square theta.
1 minus cos.
Like that you can solve. Here cos square theta क्या होता है? Simplify, you can solve it. Already we have solved same type of question. If I'm not wrong, same question. This is the question which you have solved. Please try to solve it at your home, and just if you have any doubts, so let me know in tomorrow's class. Definitely will solve it, guys. You know, you should not be without making this question. Everyone might have made. I'm just hoping that. Why? Because already you have solved this question. Anyone of you guys? Anyone of you understand? Anyone of you didn't understand this question?
Understood, sir.
Next, this question they go is a 5. Take 5 common. Ninth question. Take 5 common. So tan square theta minus secant square theta plus 1. So 5 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 answer आता है. Minus 4 आता है answer.
No,
Wait,
sir,
wait.
it's not possible because the formula is secant square minus tan square.
Secant square minus tan square. Now look at this now. 1 second. So secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. I'm just saying that. So tan square a minus secant square a is equal to minus 1. क्या कोई फर्क है इधर? इसलिए I'm just writing here minus 1. Yes or no? Minus 4 is correct. Bhai, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the same answer, but I did it a different way. That's
Yeah, you have. It is not possible. I know that. That is why I wrote minus 1 here, right? I didn't write plus 1. If I write plus 1, then it would not have been possible. I wrote
so,
minus.
sir, if it's the other way around, we just need to put minus and then put 1.
Yes. Look at this. This is my 1, right? Secant square minus tan square is a 1. Now I'm writing tan minus secant, then minus 1. Why? Because I'm taking minus common here. If I take minus common, so if you shift minus that side, minus 1. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है? Getting my point, children?
Yes, sir.
So tan square
Yes.
minus secant square is equal to minus. Next question, guys. Same question. This question already we have solved. Already this has been given. I think no, unfortunately it has repeated. So and these 2 questions, 10th and 11th question already. You know, this is a bonus, I would say. How many of you, if you made this question again wrong, then is your mistake. How many have you done? 12th question also we have done, guys. 12th question also we have done. How many have you done this 10, 11, 12 questions correct? How many have you done? Yes,
Got
already
correct.
we have done, guys. We already have done these questions. Please make it out. Please find out. If you are not understanding, you can ask me in the next class. So 13th one. If x is equal to a cos 0, y is equal to b, y is equal to b sin 0, then b square x square plus a square y square is what? X cos 0 कितना होता है? 1 होता है, तो a. X is equal a. Y is equal कितना? Sin 0 कितना होता है? 0. 0 into b 0. So x value is 0, x value is a, y value is 0. So substitute here. Look at this here, b square. 1 second, guys. So is b square x square which means a square plus a square into y square. So answer क्या होता है? b square a square. So option C is correct. Any doubt? Option C is correct. कोई doubt, children? Any doubts? भाई इधर sin cos 0 क्या होता है? 1 होता है, तो 1 into a. So sin, so x is equal to a here. So sin 0 कितना होता है इधर? Sin 0 कितना होता है? 0. So 0 into b 0. So y is equal to b. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the maximum value of 1 by cosecant a. Tell me. Maximum value of 1 by cosecant a. Tell me. कितना होता है maximum value? Why? Tell me what is the maximum value of cosecant a first.
1, sir. 1.
See, no. अरे यार 1 होता है. Why? Because 1 by cosecant a मतलब sin ही है ना.
Yes, sir.
The maximum value of sin a. 1 no, of course. ये होता है हमारा smartest approach. आ रहा है समझ? So guys, 1 by cosecant a can be written as sin a. So what is the maximum value of sin a? I told you sin a will be lies always between -1 to a 1. All right. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1. ठीक है. So sin value will be always, you will be letting -1 to 1 only. You will be learning in 11th standard. -1 या +1 इसके बीच में ही होता है. समझ रहे हैं? तो देखो हम लोग अभी देखो इसके हिसाब से देखेंगे तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है इधर? What is my maximum value? What is my maximum value?
1.
1. So 1 answer. And either what is the minimum value of sin a? देखो इधर कितना क्लियर से दे रहा है,
0.
0 देखो बेटा, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ साइन ये, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ cos ये, हाँ
1.
व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ cos ये, हाँ बेटा, व्हाट
1.
इज cos theta lies between where to where, tell me.
1 to 0.
1 to, so cos 0 क्या होता है, 1 to 0, it will be decreasing,
One.
it will be decreasing, right? Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3, but it will be decreasing, so at last it will go 0. So what is the minimum value is asking, minimum value बेटा क्या होता है, how can it be 1, tell me reason. हेलो, क्या हुआ, अरे
0 only, no sir, because it's the minimum value.
try to listen to me, minimum, yes, that's what I'm telling you. Who said 1 actually? Guys, we have learned that cos theta lies between where to where, guys.
1 to 0.
But -1 to 1 actually, this is the range of cos theta, and sin theta also what, -1 to +1, ये range होता है, मगर he is asking what is the minimum value of cos theta where theta lies between 0 to 90, तो 0 होता है minimum value. आ रहा है समझ, आ रहा है?
Sir, in the answers it said 1. In the exam I wrote 0, but after I checked I got it wrong. It said 1.
Said 1.
Yes, sir. In
Minimum
the answer sheet it says C1 is the correct answer.
So cos 0 1, so cos 90, cos 0 1, it should be 0. Oh, come they given this one. Okay, 1 second guys, 1 second, let us erase this, let us solve it again. Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's still showing the questions sheet.
Okay. Then it should be, yes, of course it's supposed to be 0, but let me check the option, let me check the answer actually. Answer was what was the answer, 1 huh?
Yes, sir. 1.
Okay, let me check this question and just update. If it is option C, let me change it. If it option B, let it be clear. Let us check it out. हाँ, given that sin theta is equal to a by b, tan theta क्या होता है? Try to find out from Pythagoras theorem. Sin theta, theta इधर लेंगे, theta का मतलब ये होता है a by b, ये क्या होता है फाइंड आउट कीजिए भाई, tan theta. So b square is equal to a square plus this x, let us say x square. तो x क्या होगा इधर, x क्या होगा, b square minus a square square root. tan theta क्या होता है, तो a by, आंसर ये हो गया, C ऑप्शन करेक्ट. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Adjacent opposite by adjacent, ये होता है tan, तो ऑप्शन C is correct. Any doubt children? Any doubt? He is asking for tan theta मतलब opposite by adjacent, so a by x value under root of b square minus a square. Clear? आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
So cos 90a is equal to sin a, then 9a is less than 90 degrees than the value of tan phi a. How did you do this? 9a
Yes, sir.
जो वैल्यू है ना वो लेस देन 90 होना चाहिए, तो लेस देन 90 का मतलब क्या लेंगे हम लोग? हाँ, let us say this one has 45 degrees. A value is 5. No. 9a is less than 90 degrees. How many have you done this? So cos 9a is gone. What could be 9a now?
It would 9a would be 45 degrees because only 45 degrees has the same as sine a. So a has to be 5.
It has to be 5. You are saying. Look at this now. What I'm saying here. कहाँ गया भाई? इधर है ना? हाँ. So 9a is less than. What is the meaning of this? Which means a is supposed to be what, less than 10, no? 9 ones are 9 tens are. आ रहा है समझ? Can we do like that?
Yes.
A is supposed to be less than 10. मतलब देखो 9a is less than 90 given बेटा. So 9 ones are 9, 9 tens are. So a is what, less than 10 degrees. Clear? So ये less than 10 degrees का मतलब होता है, अगर देखो इधर, तो इधर क्या होता है? x lies between, so x lies between what now? I mean ये I'm talking about ये
A has to be between 0 and 10.
0 and 10, right? 0 and 10. देखो इधर 0 and 10. If I write 0, so cos 9 0, cos 0 is 1, so sin 0 is 0. It's not possible. Cos,
It has to be 5.
huh? It has to be
5, sir. 9
5.
fives are 45.
Huh. If you write 5,
No, no,
write
no,
5,
no.
tan 25 is what then? भाई देखो
No, no, no.
समझिए ध्यान से
It
समझिए.
has to be 9.
If you are not understanding like that, let us, can we do like this? Very good question actually. देखो हम लोग इस तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे. देखो ये तो cos 9a को sin दिया है ना, तुम now accelerate now this cos 9a को accelerate sin 90 minus 9a बना सकता हूँ मैं? क्या इसको ऐसा बना सकता हूँ? sin 90
Yes.
minus theta again cos ये, नो? ऐसा नो? तो इधर मैंने sin इसको हटा के मैंने लिख सकता हूँ 90 minus 9a is equal to ये. आ रहा है समझ? तो ये का वैल्यू मुझे आ गया 10 डिग्री, I mean 9 degrees. Let me solve here. So 90 is equal to 10a. So a is equal to 9. आ रहा है समझ? a is equal to 9. So देखो बेटा मुझे ये asking for tan 45. Tan 5 into 9. So 45 आ गया. So tan 45 is how much? 1. आया समझ? कोई डाउट? Any doubt? Any doubts? So answer is 1 here. Clear? Any doubt, children? Any doubts? How simple it is? Very good question. Very good question. छोटा ही था, एक चूहा की तरह, मगर थोड़ा सा सही क्वेश्चन. ये हमारे को ये आना चाहिए. ठीक है? You must raise an idea. This kind of idea. Clear? Next, in triangle ABC. C is what here? 90 degrees. तो इसको ऐसा कर लेंगे ना. So C 90 इधर. ABC. ठीक है? हाँ इसको रेस्ट कर देंगे. Then sin A plus B क्या होता है? sin A plus B क्या होता है? sin A plus B फॉर्मूला आई थिंक आई डिडंट. हाँ sin A plus B क्या होता है बेटा? देखो मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको, हम लोग ये 90 डिग्री है. ठीक है? ये 90 डिग्री है. आ रहा है समझ? तो ये क्या हो सकता है? 90 है तो B एंड ये मिला के 90 होना चाहिए दोनों. ठीक है? ऐसा नो?
Yes.
हाँ देखो मैंने अभी बता रहा हूँ आपको, sin A plus B का फॉर्मूला होता है sin A cos B plus cos A sin B in your 11th standard, but I didn't teach you that. It is not in your textbook. Okay, so now what can be made? How many have done this question correctly? Tell me.
I got it correct.
How did you make it out?
So again, it's the same way. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B is equal to
90 degrees?
180 minus, yeah, 90 degrees. And then we can add sine on both sides.
अरे यार कंपाउंड है ये, हम लोग क्वाड्रेंट सिस्टम का बताया ना. तो क्या होता है? तो A plus B is equal to 90 degrees मुझे मिलता है. Yes or no? Why? Because from the triangles. So now if I write this one as तो 90 डिग्री से A plus B कितना आता है? C. So 90 degrees. All right.
Sine 90 is 1.
Sin 90 is 1 now. तो sin A plus B साइन अप्लाई कीजिए, sin 90 तो 1 हो गया मुझे आंसर. आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट? Any doubt children? He's asking for sin a plus b, no? So sin 90, I'm applying taking sin on both sides. So sin a plus b क्या होता है? Sin 90. Sin 90 का तो 1 होता है. आ रहा है समझ? Answer is going to be give me 1. Answer gives me 1. Clear? आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट? Next question. How did you do? Sin a minus cos a is equal to 0.
Sir, I took 45 degrees because they both have the same value
हाँ.
for 45 degrees. So then
So
if I
45,
took
1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Yes. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Yes, of course.
by root 2.
If y common, like guys, if are look at this here. If you apply your common, if you just use your common sense, look at it. If a is equal to 45 degrees, then only sin 45 कितना होता है? Minus cot 45 is equal to 0. So sin 45 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. It is when a is equal to 45, then only the given statement is going to be true. So now a is equal to 45. So sin power of 4 into 1 by root 2 plus cos power of 4 1 by root 2. तो इसको सॉल्व कीजिए. तो sin square of 1 by root 2 into sin square of 1 by root 2. Can I ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? Yes or no? Yes or no guys? Sorry. अरे यार हम लोग इधर क्या गलती कर रहे हैं? तो डायरेक्ट सीधा सा ऐसे लिखेंगे ना. मैंने क्या 1 by root 2 लिख रहा हूँ. sin 45 भाई. sin 45. तो what can I write here?
1 by root 2 to the power of 4.
वो लिखना चाहिए. So 1 by root 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 by root 2 to the power of 4. देखो 1 by root 2 तो होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. तो क्या होता है मुझे? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. ये होता है हाफ. कितना आदमी किया इसको? हाफ. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. देखो हाउ डिड यू गेट? लुक एट दिस गाइस. आई एम राइटिंग दिस 1 by root 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square into 1 by root 2 whole square. All right guys, any doubts here? आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में भाई, हर एक स्टेप लिखने में दिक्कत होती है. हर एक स्टेप लिखने में, हर एक स्टेप यू गाइस हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट एट योर कैलकुलेशन. ये क्या होता है यार? यस. तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ ना मैंने, स्क्वायर इंटू 1 by root 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by root 2 होल स्क्वायर इंटू 1 by root 2 होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है. So 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by root 2 whole to the power of 4, no. So 1 by root 2 whole square gives me 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Quarter plus quarter, half. Quarter plus quarter क्या होता है? Half. So option D is correct.
Sir, can you explain one question? I have a doubt in
Yes.
question 12.
Question 12. 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A by sin A is equal to क्या होता है? किसके बराबर होता है? How many have you done this question correctly? Guys, hey, hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताओ. मैंने बताया था 1 में ये डायरेक्ट if it is if you are in 11th standard I would have straight away told you the answer. देखो इधर मैंने क्या लिख रहा हूँ, 1 minus cos ये है ना, इसको मैंने क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैंने सिंपल सा बात बताऊँ, 1 को लिख सकता हूँ मैंने, 1 को शेलेरेट इन प्लेस ऑफ 1 शेलेरेट sin स्क्वायर cos ये फॉर्मूला होता है मेरा, cos ये फॉर्मूला होता है sin स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज माय cos ये फॉर्मूला? सी गाइस, cos ये फॉर्मूला होता है 1 plus 2 sin square a by 2. This is the formula for cos a. All right. All right. So this is the formula for cos a basically. If you are in 11th standard, you can use it out. If not, what is an alternate method to solve this? In place of 1, can we write sin square theta plus cos square theta? Guys, can we write yes or no? Can we do by that? Can we do like that? Or else can I write? आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? तो can I write in place of 1 as sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2? Yes or no? Can I write like that? Yes or no?
Sir, how?
Can I write like that? It is correct only, no?
How would you write it? Like, can you elaborate?
देखो साइन स्क्वायर कोई भी थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा कोई भी 1 नहीं होता है, ठीक है? जो ये भी ए साइन स्क्वायर a by 4 cos स्क्वायर a by 4 सम ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर a by 4 एंड cos स्क्वायर a by 4 ऑलवेज 1. जो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा जो भी हो सकता है 1 नहीं हो सकता है. कैन आई डू लाइक दैट? इफ नॉट, इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट, कैन वी डू इन सम अदर मेथड? मैंने अभी आपको अच्छे से एकदम ये क्या बोलता है, ये आपको नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो हम लोग इसको एक तरीके से करेंगे. गाइस, यू नो, इफ यू आर इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड, वन एक ही स्टेप में आंसर हो जाता था, मगर यू गाइस आर इन नॉट 11th स्टैंडर्ड, सो आई कैन नॉट टीच एडवांस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, एडवांस्ड, यू नो, फॉर्मूलेस. सो 11th स्टैंडर्ड में होगा तो बहुत सिंपल होता था, मगर ये दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली, वेरी गुड. शट अप, लेट मी गिव अ हिंट हियर. नाउ कैन आई रेशनलाइज दिस? भाई हमारे पास रेशनलाइज है ना, रेशनलाइजेशन. मैं न्यूमरेटर को रेशनलाइज करता हूँ. देखो क्या ऐसा कर सकता हूँ मैंने इसको, तो ऊपर वाला क्या हो जाएगा, 1 स्क्वायर माइनस cos स्क्वायर ये डिवाइडेड बाई साइन ये प्लस साइन ये cos ये. लिख सकता हूँ ना ऐसा? देखो 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर ये मतलब साइन स्क्वायर ये डिवाइडेड बाई साइन ये प्लस साइन ये cos ये. अंडरस्टैंड? सो ये आंसर क्या होता है? स्प्लिट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? साइन ये प्लस tan ये, साइन ये. भाई ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ ना? एनी डाउट हियर? हाँ, नहीं तो ऐसा यार लुक एट दिस यार. नाउ कैन आई टेक साइन ये कॉमन इन द डिनोमिनेटर? कैन आई टेक साइन ये कॉमन इन द डिनोमिनेटर? डन, आई एम डन विद माय आंसर. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन. साइन ये, कैन आई टेक साइन ये कॉमन इन द डिनोमिनेटर? इफ आई टेक सो 1 प्लस cos ये, तो साइन ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो मुझे बचेगा साइन ये बाई 1 प्लस cos ये. ये हमारा 1 प्लस cos ये कहाँ है? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है समझ?
Yes, sir.
So simply we can just do rationalize. 1 minus cos ये फॉर्मूला होता है 2 sin square theta by 2 by sin ये. So I would have made it straight away by using 11th standard formula, but you guys are not in 11th standard, so let us. So question number 12. Question 12. ठीक है. So this is what the today's class, guys. Any doubts in this class? Any doubts in this entire question paper? कुछ डाउट है?
Sir, just question 16 might be wrong.
Question might be wrong. Yes, question 16. No, just no. We'll discuss it. We'll discuss it definitely. उधर पूछ रहा है minimum value. How many of you done all the questions correct? All the questions correct. How many of you got 100%? I'll post the results today. Guys, I'm asking you only. No one got. What is your mark? Shut up.
Sir, I got 70 out of 80, but I got question 16 wrong. So if it's correct, then it might be different.
So actually आप मुझे मेरा आंसर होगा क्या बोलते हैं, 0 ही होता है. मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस्ट 0 होता है. आंसर क्या दिया है उधर? 110% 0 है भाई, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. मुझे लगता है 0 100% करेक्ट.
सर
इस बताओ भाई.
सर ये यहाँ पर cos का रेंज -1 to you said -1 to 1
रेंज.
हो सर.
हाँ वो रेंज, बट ये रेंज इधर देखो बेटा, वो रेंज इधर कंडीशन दिया है ना, थीटा लाइज बिटवीन. थीटा कहाँ से कहाँ लाई कर रहा है एज पर इस क्वेश्चन? 0 से लेकर 90 तक ना.
हाँ सर.
अगर 0 से ज्यादा, अगर 0 90 से ज्यादा कुछ भी दिया होगा, then it would have been varied. Clear? अगर if I say like this, 0 से 180 डिग्रीज, अगर कुछ मैं 360 डिग्री ऐसा
हाँ,
दिया
sir.
है तो देन आंसर माइट बी चेंजिंग ओवर देयर। आ रहा है समझ? आंसर
हाँ sir.
But sir,
यस
cos, so theta for cos is 0. So cos 0 is 1. If
हाँ
it's asking in relation with the theta, then wouldn't it be 1 as answer?
आई डिडंट गेट यू।
No, if it's asking
Yeah. If cos 0 is
cos
1, so in terms of is asking, then 1 would be the answer. You are saying that, right?
in terms of theta.
In terms of theta, so he is asking for cos theta, minimum value of cos theta. भाई देखो मैंने cos 0 लेता हूँ तो क्या होता है 1 होता है। cos 0 से 90 कुछ भी ले लो। cos 15 क्या होता है? What is the 15? Cos 15 I told you √3 plus 1 divided by 2 √2. I mean I didn't tell you, I just taught to the 11th standard children. So cos 15 होता है √3 plus 1 by 2, ये आपको नहीं आता है तो √3 plus 1.732 plus 1 divided by 2 √2 करेगा तो 1 से लेस देन ही आएगा। It will be getting less than 1 only the answer. So cos 30 is what here? √3 by 2. Cos 45 is what? 1 by √2. ठीक है। cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. cos 90 is what? 0. देखो इसमें देखो मैंने बोल रहा हूँ मिनिमम वैल्यू कौन सा है 1, इससे सबसे 0 मिनिमम 0 है ना। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। आ रहा है समझ? सो 0 इज द आंसर। बट ऑप्शन, व्हाट ऑप्शन हैज बीन गिवन ओवर देयर?
C, it says that C is the answer.
C. Okay, I think I should change the answer. चलो, any doubt guys?
नहीं sir.
Any doubts? So minimum value of cos theta is what? 0, which when theta is 90 degrees. अरे when 90 is theta is 90 degrees है तभी हमारा को मिनिमम
हाँ
वैल्यू
sir.
मिल रहा है। तो ये हो गया हमारा आंसर। गाइस I'll be sharing this notes with you all, so please find it out. Clear? आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट?
हाँ, no doubts.
चलो guys, so let me stop the recording, so let me stop the class here itself. So we'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you. Let's retire.
Thank you sir.
Yes.